elegantly complements any interior. Wireless and light, it adapts to any lifestyle. It also features the industry's first blend consistency control. Just set the desired level of smoothness, and Milo will do the rest. Washing is a breeze. The blending lid and cups are dishwasher safe. The magnetic hook provides seamless charging, allowing you to keep your tabletop tidy. Milo is dust-resistant and waterproof. Its 3-level safety system is engineered to give you peace of mind. Milo is also designed to be shared. One base, a world of smoothies to fit every taste. Milo's mobile app will give you access to recipes shared by our community. It's powerful enough to blend raw vegetables and ice, and its robust blades were designed in Germany.
Hey Kickstarter, portability, convenience and quietness. Now we have taken it to a whole new level.
For a while now we have been secretly working on MAD technology. The new Milo has no motor in its blender base, so there is no spinning parts, no vibration and absolutely zero noise. The blades are turned by a powerful magnetic field generator. The generator is literally unbreakable, and we are so confident we cover it with 10 years warranty.
But this is just the beginning. We are already working on a range of accessories compatible with the same magnetic base.
Our mission is to innovate the kitchen industry. Imagine how sustainable our kitchens would become if we used only one drive to power all its appliances.
Join us. Back this project now and get your hands on this next generation Milo before anyone else.
Hot coffee is perfect. But sometimes you can't drink your coffee before it gets cold. Which throws cold water on your enthusiasm. Let Ikago Smart Heat Coaster Pro keep your coffee hot, keep your spirit high, keep your work smooth, keep your life warm.
What's up, Kickstarters? I'm Dennis, the product designer of Ikago. I'm fond of hot coffee. Same for my colleagues. But when coffee gets cold before we even finish it, this is a universal annoyance. So here comes Ikago Heat Coaster Pro. It's user-friendly. Turn it on, place your mug on it, and set the preferred temperature. It updates you on the real-time temperature and allows you to customize it. Celsius or Fahrenheit, whichever you want. Infrared detection of a mug will automatically turn on the heating. The infrared probe captures the heat of the coffee. The microchip then processes these signals, calculates the coffee temperature, and intelligently adjusts the power. Our patented heating film shows an unparalleled heating efficiency. The status bar tells you the right time to enjoy your coffee. No safety worries with the auto off feature. You can warm up other drinks such as tea and milk and use any cup you like. So, join us and make our dreams come true.